Hey guys, it's Gavin and Justin here from Akins Plumbing. We're here to repair a stop valve in the ground that's inaccessible. It's leaking and we can't get an answer on being able to turn the water off, so we've got to freeze the pipe. We've dug all this mess out, big slop, and we've put the sleeve around the pipe and we're ready to freeze it. So here we go. Okay, so we've dispensed the can. We've had to wait 5 minutes for it to freeze, and now we're just going to turn the water on, see if we've frozen the pipe. We have. We've got no water, so that's good. So we'll just cut in the new valve up at an accessible height, and let the blocked pipe by freeze unfreeze itself. I've cut the pipe. We'll just put the new pipe and valve up at the height. Lock it off, and we're right to go.